Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to GIE. In this video, we are going to talk about Tajweed explanation method, Tajweed rule 3. And this one, I want to explain a little bit before showing Tajweed explanation. So 3 to 5 seconds longer. In entire Quran, there are 3 to 5 seconds longer. By saying 3 to 5 seconds, we are combining all math which, uh, which are more than 1 second, Rules number 2, it was 1 second long. So now this one 3 to 5 seconds long, only 2. Number 1 is longer sign. In the Quran, anywhere you see longer sign, easy to say 3 to 5 seconds. You can stretch between 3 to 5 seconds. So it's easy to combine all mad, all longer mad. Number 2 is alif, ya sukun or waw sukun followed by a stopping sukun. So all these three together one. Alif, ya sukun or waw sukun followed by a stopping sukun. For example, here you can see like alif, then ba has dhamma, but during a stopping it will be sukun. So alif followed by a stopping sukun. Same, ya sukun during a stopping, dal will be sukun. So ya sukun followed by a stopping sukun. And here you can see the waw sukun during a stopping the dal will be sukun. So waw sukun followed by a stopping sukun. And this apply with lean also. Those who have idea about tajweed, they know the lean, madda lean, like saif. So same, ya sukun followed by a stopping sukun. Then khawf, for example, it also will be waw sukun followed by a stopping sukun. So look, the nice thing, this one including also so many tajweed rules. Alif, ya sukun or waw sukun followed by a stopping sukun. It also including many tajweed rules what we learn in other book as every individual or separate rules. So this one, the easy way to remember. So only 3 to 5 seconds longer, and it has only two rules. One is longer sign. Number 2, alif, ya, sukun, waw, sukun, anywhere you see, following by a stopping sukun. So it's super easy to remember. Okay. Now let's start our main goal. How to do tajweed explanation for 3 to 5 seconds longer. For example, and again, we have to remember level of a student. So we are going to explain details for the beginner one, those who are learning Qaida with a spelling. Then level 2, without a spelling, but it's still beginner. And level 3 for advanced. So beginner one, we are going to explain details. Based on that, you can have idea for rest of 2 levels. For beginner, we were learning by a spelling. For example, this one, seen longer ya. See rule, you see the longer ya. For longer ya, rules will be 3 to 5 seconds longer because the scene has longer ya. Because scene has longer ya. The same, if there is longer alif, then you have to say, for example, scene has longer alif. If there is any word has longer wow, means wow sukun and has longer sign with wow, so it's going to be longer wow. We have to say because scene has longer wow and longer alif, longer fatha, longer kasra, longer dhamma also same. We are showing one example only here. Another one here, sometime you will see only longer sign, especially in huruf muqatti'at. You're going to see. On that time, we have to say For example, this one with a spelling, we're gonna say like lam longer sign catching meme. By following GAE method, we do lam longer sign catching meme. La roll 3 to 5 seconds longer because lam has longer sign. So if you see longer sign on huruf al-muqatti'at, then we have to say only longer sign because lam has longer sign, that's all. But without huruf al-muqatti'at, any other place, we have to say like letter name and it has either longer fatha, longer kasra, longer dhamma, longer alif, longer ya, longer waw. Because this letter has longer fatha, longer kasra, longer dhamma as shown here. This one we have to say little bit details. For example, ba long alif, ba dhamma bu. Al ba bu. During a stopping, al bab rule 3 to 5 seconds longer because ba because alif followed by a stopping sukun. Same this one. Fast spelling will be, I'm just showing the main point. Meme long ya. Me rule 1 second long. Dal dhammatain dun. Ha me dun. During a stopping, ha me rule 3 to 5 seconds longer because ya sukun followed by a stopping sukun. So this second type we have to explain first the 1 second long, the situation before making waqf a stopping, and later we have to explain the mad or tajweed rules which apply after doing a stopping, after making waqf. So that's why you have to know a little bit more clear this one. Again, this one, for example, lam long wow. Lu rule 1 second long because lam has long wow. Dal dhammatain dun. When you say together, final like khu lu dun. During a stopping, khu lud. Rule 3 to 5 second long because wow sukun followed by a stopping sukun. Like this. I hope this one clear. So during a spelling for the beginner student. And those who are doing without a spelling, yes. So they will do letter by letter without a spelling with rules. For example, C rule, rest of same. So without a spelling, they will say directly letter by letter with rules. An advanced student, teacher going to ask them from random place and a student going to explain. A student has to make answer. Okay. And for this lesson, we have details exercise on page number in the second edition book, page number 34, and first edition book is page number 31. So you will see in this page details. 2, 3 to 5 seconds longer. And this all longer sign is include all this madda muttasil, madda munfasil, madda lazim, kalmi musaqqal, kalmi mukhaffaf, harfi musaqqal, harfi mukhaffaf, as well as look here, arzi mad means alif ya sukun or waw sukun are followed by stopping sukun. This one rule we combine. alif, ya sukun or waw sukun followed by stopping sukun. And this one rules is including rest of longer mad. Uh, like alif followed by a stopping sukun, ya sukun followed by stopping sukun, waw sukun followed by stopping sukun, regular one, and maddaleen also. Maddaleen ya, maddaleen wow. There is details exercise, so you can do inshallah. And this page, as we showed in this video, we have to do Tajweed explanation by following this method. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.